Hi traders, my name's Tom and welcome to episode 227 of the Trading Talk series. In this episode, I'm going to be showing you one of the concepts I've been using to determine volatility in the market and define an entry in the direction of the move. Now as the new year starts, we are super excited about some of the fantastic events we have coming up this year. We are working closely with our speakers for this year's conference and we'll be announcing some of them very soon. And we are back to holding the in-person event at the Sofitel Hotel. We are also starting our in-house system building days again this year, a whole day dedicated to helping you build your systems in person on our trading floor. If you would like to book a ticket to this year's conference or a seat to one of our in-house systems building days, give us a call or reach out to your allocator trader here. I hope you enjoyed today's episode and as always, all the best with your trading.